Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business sales page image using Super Zoom in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and set a wide sales page canvas. I place the hero image and pause. Sales pages need focus instantly. I convert the layer to Smart Object. I open Camera Raw and enable Super Zoom. Gently, I increase zoom slightly. I reduce noise and protect edges. I zoom in to product details. I adjust clarity lightly. Business sales visuals should feel confident, not pushy. I add a subtle mask to guide the eye. I zoom out and imagine a visitor